The new video about Pancake Bunny. You know about this Pancake Bunny. I had made a video about the potential surge in the price of this Pancake Bunny, but currently there is a problem with this bunny that I wanted to share with you regarding the update about how this price will be in the future. So this is the Pancake Bunny. If you'll see the chart of this bunny, you will see that it's actually increasing with the price of BTC getting toward the upper resistance of 38,000. So currently the price of bunny is $26. If you'll see, there is a big problem with $26 with this $26 and the market cap of 262. If you see in the left, 262 million, the price should be around 34 to $35 with respect to what I had made a video previously. At that time, if you have noticed, the total supply was less than 1 million, okay, less than 9 million, sorry, not 1 million. So if you'll see right now, the total supply is 10 million. The supply has exponentially increased from that time, due to which the price has drastically dumped and reduced to this value, $26 from $75. So if you'll see right now, if you'll observe this one, the price is at 10 million and something at 998. If you will wait for some time, I will show you this after some time. You will see that 998 will convert to the next 999 and 1000. This will increase and this will become 20, and just see, it just increased. So it's very drastic. This is not good for any coin or a token for future, because if this keeps on increasing the total supply with the market cap already dumping due to BTC, the price is going to dump so drastically that it will be hard for them to recover. So to do this, the bunny team need to, I appreciate that they are very active and they are doing a great work. So see, after this 5, it's currently increasing now. So what they are doing is that they are trying to buy back this one, and if I will show you their article they have on the Twitter they shared, let me share that one with you. To fight, actually the problem with this increase in the coin is that there will be inflation. People will dump these coins, and as a result the price will also dump. So if you'll see over here, what they are planning right now, if you'll go to their official Twitter account, they are shared uh, some plan for this buying back of this bunny. What they are going to do is that they are trying to reduce the total supply of the bunny. How they are going to do it? They are going to do it in 3 forms, like bunny port contribution and some bunny distribution contribution and some other multiplexer contribution. So they are more concerned. If you will see, they are saying that it's at the top of their mind to actually stabilize the total number of coins in circulation in the price, but they had to do it very early, because with the price decreasing from the BTC, obviously this is going to decrease, and we are hopeful that they will do something. So this is regarding to my previous video, that if you have bought it that time, so right now be careful. If you are buying, do your research and only then invest in this coin, because at this speed of increasing total supply, I cannot see the exponential or good recovery of this price to the previous price at which we were discussing, around 100 or more. It can go to 50 maximum after getting stabilized, but at this supply 50 will be also 50, even 50 will be very difficult in time. So there is a big problem with total supply, and it's constantly increasing. So do your research and plan accordingly. Thank you so much.